Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana hasn't moved much today, but yesterday it certainly did. And we currently see a pullback into our micro support area, which started at $73.55 and $69.20. In my earlier video today, I took a look at the bigger picture. We don't need to do that twice in a day, so feel free to check it out for the greater context. In this video, I just want to talk to you about the micro structure that we see on this chart, and that just to highlight again that obviously we are most likely in this extension of a third wave as explained in the previous video. Yeah, could still be a B wave, and to be honest, if we break down now, then this is likely a B wave top, but it needs some more confirmation. I'll tell you what kind of confirmation that is. But at the moment, the idea would be, due to the price action here, that we might be in this third wave extension. But still, you know, what did we say? We said that what we're dealing with is either an extension in the third or a high B wave. How would the high B wave work? Well, you know that we talked about that and nothing else in the last week. We said wave 3 finished here on the 16th of November. A wave down, high B wave. We expected a high B wave, specifically possibly up to and including the 1.38 retracement at $76. To be honest, we broke briefly above it, touched the trend channel's top or upper boundary line, and we haven't sustained above that level yet. So it can easily still be the high B wave. But we need to see some confirmation that the C wave to the downside has started, which is then this wave 4, okay, that we talked about. I just took the support area off the chart because I have to move it all the time. So I only want to move it once we really have put it back onto the chart, once we have a high likelihood top in place, you know, and then we can still get a fifth wave. That's the expectation. So again, very, very consistent. The commentary from the last week and the last few days still remains valid, that either we are in a high B wave of wave 4 and basically do this A, B, C in wave 4 and then move up in wave 5, or we are in a third wave extension, which would then be here, and then the wave 4 starts afterwards in an ABC structure, and then the wave 5. So it's simply a matter of, okay, when does the wave 4 start? Maybe has it started? That's the trouble in a fourth wave. You never really know, because you can get these overshooting B waves. I can only tell you that at the moment, we only have 3 waves up, and we reacted to the 1.38 retracement, which is sort of a key level for such a high B wave. We'll see, you know, what would I need to see to confirm that we're coming down in this C wave? Reminder, A wave, high B wave, C wave. What do I need to see to confirm that? Well, now, however, that we have seen really that much of a rally, it is, of course, you know, likely that we're in a third wave extension as well. So we need to understand, first of all, what is micro support? In the first instance, to indicate that this C wave to the upside, yeah, this last bit of the rally, that this is finished, we need to see a break of the 50% FIB level, $69.20. So once we have that, and that should happen at some point, once we have that, we can establish, okay, in the third wave extension, yeah, we want to see 5 waves. So what we need to see is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the support for this fourth wave? Because only if we break below that, we can confirm that we are in the larger correction. So how do we define that? We take the length of, now I need to think myself, take the length of that third to the upside, and then we're looking for the golden ratio support, because below that, this fourth wave is too deep to be reliable, and that's at $61.79. So that means if anybody's trading the direct move to the upside and the extension in the third wave, I would get very cautious below $61.79, even though that's not the invalidation point. It would, however, mean that this fourth wave of the larger third, yeah, is deeper than ideal, and then that would be, let's say, the first solid confirmation that we are in a much deeper and stronger pullback. Yeah, that's really it. These are the key levels to watch at the moment. At the moment, we are here just in micro support. I'd like that to break at some point. Maybe it breaks now. I mean, this move up also has done what it needs to do. It's an ABC structure, pretty extended actually. Did go a little bit above our target area. I think it ended at $75, and it moved all the way up to 77 or something. So just a little bit above target, which is fine. So waiting basically for confirmation that we are coming down. Until we have that confirmation, you still have to expect one more high in wave 5 of 5 of 3. I'm not saying this is a great trade setup, that's always, we're tracking at the moment only structures. I don't see a very clear upside trade setup. Yeah, I mean, the price could turn around here in this box, but really the fourth wave could already be unfolding, which would then be a deeper pullback. So I gave you the support levels for that as well. Yeah, but overall, structurally, nothing has changed, especially not looking at the bigger picture. So we talked about that in the last few days and earlier today, so feel free to check it out. But essentially, we're tracking a bullish structure. Maybe one more thing to mention. So a few of you asked me about this B wave, right? So it's crystal clear that this move up is a corrective structure. It's a corrective structure, so this move up of the December lows, yeah? A, B, and the C wave is an ending diagonal. Now, don't make the mistake to assume that we go to new bear market lows afterwards or something, right? Yes, it could be that the move down was an A wave, this is a B wave, and we get a C wave down lower. However, nobody's telling us that the B wave has to finish there, okay? B waves can overshoot. This B wave can even take us to new all-time highs. So that's really just something that keeps us on our toes, because don't forget, this is a three-wave move up, A, B, C. But don't forget that an A wave can also be an ABC structure. We could then get a B wave pullback and then a C wave rally to all-time highs in a larger B wave. So I just want to make sure that everybody understands that. Yeah. And then we crash down for the next bear market. So a B wave top can form, around $400 to $700. Absolutely it could. Okay. Just be aware of that. So yeah, if you have any questions about that, let me know in the comment section. But I don't think there is much more to add. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Links for those channels are in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.